What are we doing here?
Many fish go upstream in the creek. Kiki umi, hate koho. Kiki umi, hate koho. Asunanga, pa'aet.
We live next to the ocean's edge, our village on a small lagoon, with water, beach, grass, birds and sedge. Offshore, the fish wait for the moon. Round and round and round it goes. Waves roll in, they crash and flow. We know the world will heal when the fish all come back home again. But now our villages are gone. While swimmers play, the seagulls cry. As throngs of people crowd this beach, the fish wait for the tides to rise. We all need homes where we can live. Together we will make this space. With work and love we all will give. Birds, fish and folks will share this place. Sing with us.
Round and round it goes. The waves roll in, they crash and flow. We know the world will heal when the fish all come back home again. Round and round it goes. The waves roll in, they crash and flow. We know the world will heal when the fish all come back home.